guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. We're going to continue talking about brands, and today we're going to be talking about Cantu, and I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the brand in South Africa and how it's doing in South Africa. But before we get into all of that tea, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I'll start off this video by saying I like Cantu. My Cantu journey started years ago, before the products hit the shelves in South Africa. So when I got to South Africa, I was like, yes, the videos that I've been posting, South Africans can finally experience what I've been experiencing when it comes to Cantu. My favorite product, I have a few favorite Cantu products: the Curl Activator Cream, Twist and Lock Gel, and the Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. Now this reparative leave-in conditioner, we're going to get into that. When Cantu hit the shelves in South Africa, the price point was okay. The price point was in a position where so many naturals were like, okay, I can add Cantu to my cart or my trolley when you're in Clicks or wherever you're buying it in South Africa. Now, when I go into Clicks, I'm looking at the price of Cantu like, hell no. Like, what is this? The price point of Cantu in South Africa is too expensive. I get the market, I get you gotta pay for shelf space in Clicks, I understand the middleman, I understand import taxes. But when you look at what Cantu cost when it came in and what it's costing now, you're hitting over 200 Rand for Cantu. It's not happening in the natural hair community. I know so many people who really like certain Cantu products, but they walk down the hair care aisle, they stop for a moment, they look at the price and they're like, no. Now my thing with Cantu is just the increase in price, especially as somebody who has imported products. I've bought them overseas. The site that I used to buy from no longer ships internationally, so please don't ask me for that. When I could see a Cantu product for like $5.99 and then I'm going into Clicks and I'm seeing what it costs, it's just not really right for the South African market. And Cantu, you are losing so many naturals because of your price point. The reparative leave-in conditioner. Now for me, that is something I have in my hair stash. When I used to shop online, I would buy two because the tub is like nice and big. I actually have it in my hair stash right here. And I always got messages from South Africans saying, I don't like it, it leaves my hair dry. And I was like, I don't know what you're talking about, but this thing is the bomb. Okay, I shouldn't have said that, I kind of showed my age. But anyway, I was like, this is amazing, my hair loves it. Now that I'm in South Africa and I'm using it, I understand what South Africans mean when they say it makes your hair dry. My type 4 hair at the back here, it actually starts getting a little bit matted when I'm using it. My looser curls up front, loving it all day, every day. But the tighter curl patterns with the Cantu Restorative Leave-In Conditioner, those are having a little bit of a problem with it. And as I said, I get it. I've mixed textures, I have mixed curl patterns, all of that. And I pay attention to how they all react with products. My type 4 hair, as I said at the back, isn't really liking it at all. When I was using the product and I was staying in the Middle East, very humid, hot, dry conditions, but more on the humid side. So my hair reacted very, very well. And I think I'll do a video on like, you know, curly hair in humid conditions. I'm also from KZN, I'm from Durban. I know what it's like to live, you know, in humid conditions. Now that I'm based in Joburg, it's dry. And that leave-in conditioner it's not doing it. And I think the weather might really have something to do with, especially us based in Joburg, and a lot of people that have told me they're not really liking it are based inland. So if you're using Cantu and you like along the coast, let me know if you're liking it or if your hair is still getting dry. It might just be a South African climate on the whole, or there might be a bit of a difference between coastal regions and those of us based inland. To wrap this video up, I always have Cantu in my hair stash. I told you guys some of the products I absolutely love. The price point, you know, that's where it's becoming a bit sticky. And I'm going to say something that is just true. Might not be nice to say, but true. when we're walking down the hair care aisle, and I really hope that I don't want to say brand owners, I don't know whoever's running the stuff in South Africa. If I'm going to have an Aunt Jackie's product and I'm going to have a Cantu product, and I've spoken about Shea Moisture, I'm going to pick up Aunt Jackie's. I'm going to pick up Aunt Jackie's because of the price point. Price point plays a very big role in this entire consumer thing, and I think brands know that already. So packaging, I like the packaging. Some of the products are OG products for me, but it's all about that price. Thanks guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, just my thoughts on Cantu and how it's doing in South Africa. Drop your comments down below. Tell me, what is your favorite Cantu product? Do you agree with me about, is your hair getting dry? The price point, what do you think about all of those things? I mean, some of you might feel like, you know what, I love the product, it's amazing, the price point is absolutely worth it, and that's cool. Let me know down below how you're feeling about this video and everything that I've said. Thanks for joining me guys, and I'll see you again. Take care.